Alright, hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I made a video. Mainly I've been busy with work and stuff like that, and you know, haven't had much to talk about and stuff like that, so I didn't really want to post some boring stuff. But you know, today's a nice day. It's a little smoky or whatever from the wildfires, but I was in the mood to make a video today because it's been a while, and you know, still something I like doing. So I have been riding, but you know, just haven't been posting any videos about it. It's actually super nice out right now. Not sure exactly the weather, but you know, feels like it's like, I don't know, 70s, maybe 80, I don't know, but it's not super hot. I've been mainly riding in the mornings because well, I usually do that around this time of year anyway, because that's when it's like the coolest, and it's just the most enjoyable to ride around that time. So yeah, we're back on the Lowrider ST. Bike's been doing pretty good, not having any complaints with it. Everything's still running good on it, so that's good. Still rips. Definitely put a few more miles on it since last time took it into the to get it what's it called, serviced or whatever. So yeah, no better feeling than riding your bike on a nice day. Yeah, usually during the summer I'll try to ride either like early in the morning or in the evening, depending, just because it's usually cool around that time. And then if you do end up at a stoplight or something, you don't have to sit there and be miserable and whatnot. So yeah, but I mean, that just comes with motorcycling. Here we go. Hope you guys have been having a good summer so far. Hope you guys have been enjoying riding and whatnot. Just out there cruising. I know I have. Getting a little bit busier with work and stuff like that, but that's fine, because you know, that's just more money and stuff to keep me busy, so that's good. It does suck. The only thing that sucks about it is when I'm going to work and stuff, or coming back from work and you see people riding motorcycles, you're like, dang, I'm trying to be riding too, but can't take all my work stuff with me to on a motorcycle. And then some of the places I gotta go that it's not really, you'd need like a dirt bike or something to get up there, but yeah. So I mean, it's cool seeing the motorcycles and all that stuff, but it's like, dang, I want to be out there, especially out there, because most of my work right now is in Harper's Ferry, West Virginia, pretty much. And then so many bikers out in West Virginia, so every time you see one of them here, it's like, dang, I'm trying to be out there riding in the mountains with you right now. But yeah, that's all right. One of these times I gotta just go out there and then ride out there, but we'll see. We just got another Airbnb out there on like a little lake, and that road is actually pretty decent, so I'd be able to ride my motorcycle up there if I wanted to. It would be a crazy ride though, because the roads are extremely hilly and twisty and stuff like that. The speed limit on them is pretty high too, so it's like, geez, I have to be careful going on that stuff. I'm really not that experienced with like super twisty roads or anything like that, obviously. From what you've seen from my videos and whatnot, there's not that many twisties around here, but definitely would be awesome to ride out there. There's a lot more back roads, mountain roads and stuff, you know. It's always good to ride on different types of roads to broaden your skill or whatever, get more experience and whatnot. So definitely plan on doing that, and it'll be fun exploring new roads out there or whatever. So yeah, dang, it's still smoky. It wasn't like this a couple of days ago, but it started being smoky again. My music stopped. Stoplights. One thing I do not like about motorcycling. But it's what you gotta deal with when you're out on the road, so. Oh man, that feels so nice. I love this bike, man. It's so comfortable. Even like pretty much stock as hell, except for the foot pegs, and it's still such a nice ride. Still getting enough wind to where I'm not like hot or something like that on the bike, because it's all getting blocked. You know, I'm really comfortable right now. Man, I love this bike. Green lights, let's go. Surprised I haven't seen another biker out here yet, but you know, people are probably at work or something. But there's quite a few bikers out here, but not as many as in West Virginia, that's for sure. A whole lot of Harley riders out there. So, well, there's a good amount of sport bike riders too, but it's mainly like a bunch of Harley people out in West Virginia. I remember one time I was going to work out there, I saw some dude, it was like a motorcycle converted into like a car type thing. It was crazy, but it was pretty cool. So yeah, definitely a lot of fun roads to ride out there. Let's turn on here. Get some nice acceleration going. I mean, it ain't no sport bike, but it still does the job, you know. Still really powerful. That's why it makes no sense that people are like, Harleys are slow. Like, bro, like, I mean, if you're comparing this to a sport bike, it's slow, but like, dude, for a cruiser, like, this thing freaking rips. It's torquey as hell. Even at its weight, it's super nimble, and slow speed maneuvers are pretty easy on this. So, most people just haven't ridden a Harley yet. So, I mean, yeah. But that's just a whole nother topic. But I just wanted to do a little quick update with y'all, quick little ride. Definitely gonna be recording more, so keep an eye out on that. Thank you guys for subscribing and watching and commenting. I always like replying to you guys in the comment section. So if you have any questions or anything like that you ever want to ask me, just comment it down below and I'll definitely reply. But thank you for watching, and have a good one. See you guys.